Hello all, welcome back. In the last video, we've seen copy activity inside a Fabric pipeline. In this video, we're going to see two more activities. One is metadata activity and the other is filter activity. So let's go. Now, what is metadata? Metadata is data about data. It gives information or context to some data. Now, the data can be anything. It can be a table, it can be a column, it can be a picture, or anything. Now, let's say, for example, we have a picture. Now, the metadata of this picture could be the location, the date taken, the camera used, the resolution. All these descriptions of this image could be the metadata of this image. Now, coming back to Fabric, in the previous video, we have seen how we copied the data from a source to a destination using a copy data activity in Fabric. In this video, we're going to take this destination as the source and we want the metadata of this destination folder. Let's see how we could do that using a pipeline. I'm going back to this workspace, and in this workspace, I am looking for a pipeline, data pipeline. Let's call it metadata pipeline. Create pipeline activity, take this get metadata, and we are here. Okay, as usual, we have some settings. The name of the pipeline is get metadata one, that's fine. Timeout, retry, it's fine. Go to settings and connection. Now click on more, and I'm clicking on one lake catalog. My data is in raw Lakehouse, so I click that. In that, the root folder is files. The file path is browse. Let's see what we have in that raw Lakehouse. We have two folders, raw data CSV. This is my folder, and we have all these CSV files. Now let's do one thing. Let's make it a bit interesting. So what I'm going to do is I want to add some other files like a JSON and a Parquet file into this and get the metadata of this folder so that I'll use this output in the next transformation. So let me do that first. So going to workspaces, DP700 and raw Lakehouse. In this raw CSV, get data, upload files. Uploading a JSON and a Parquet files. Upload. They are uploaded. Click refresh. Now we got the JSON and a Parquet file here. So now let's go back to our pipeline and click on refresh, browse, and we got this data. Okay, now I'm clicking OK and not selecting any item because I want all the items. Now field list is the output of the metadata what we want. We have child items, we have exists, we have item name, we have item type, last modified. These are all the different metadata of this folder raw CSV. I'm selecting child items because I want the output of all the items. Now everything looks good. Let's go to home, validate the pipeline. The pipeline has been validated, no errors were found. Click on run the pipeline, save and run, and this activity is queued now. The pipeline is running. The pipeline is succeeded. Let's check the output of the pipeline. Go to output, maximize. So the output is child items, and it's an array, and it's an array of dictionaries. Each dictionary has name and type, name of the file and type of it for all the items. That's what the output of get metadata activity of this pipeline contains. Okay, now coming back here onto the pipeline canvas, I want to add another activity which is called the filter activity. So go to activities, click on these three dots, click on filter and place it here. Now the output on success should go as input to this filter activity. Now I have to set some settings in the filter activity. The name is filter CSV because I want to filter the CSVs inside the output of get metadata. Go to settings. What are the items? Items, click on add dynamic content. Here we have the options, activity outputs, get metadata 1, get metadata 1 child items, list of subfolders and files in the given folder. We want this, so click here, activity get metadata dot output got child items, click OK. And what is the condition? Now the condition is, if we go to functions, we could see many functions here: date functions, logical functions, math functions, conversion functions, string functions, and so on. So we have a function called contains, which looks for something within the input. So my condition is item dot name. If the name of the item contains CSV, then filter those items. So that is my condition. Click OK. Now everything looks good. Let's go to home, validate the pipeline, close it, run the pipeline, save and run. Okay, the pipeline is succeeded. Let's look at the filtered CSV's output, maximize it. Okay, so item count is 9, but filtered items count is 7, because we have filtered all the CSVs from the output of the metadata. As we know that output of get metadata is this: all the names of the files and the type. We have a JSON and a Parquet file, but we filtered the output to include only the CSVs. So the output of this is only 7 items which contain CSVs in their names. So that is how we connect different activities in a pipeline and move the data from one activity to another. In the next video, we'll dig some more on this pipeline. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.